This is Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system and one of the most dangerous. NASA captured real signals from around this giant world and converted them into sound so we could hear what Jupiter actually sounds like. And somehow it's more disturbing than you'd expect. Beneath these eerie noises is a planet surrounded by crushing radiation, violent magnetic storms, and enough energy to destroy anything that gets too close. Jupiter's magnetic field is so powerful, it traps charged particles and turns the space around it into a deadly zone. If you were there, this wouldn't just sound terrifying, it would be your final warning, because what you're hearing isn't music, it's Jupiter.